Hey guys, it's Chad with Cash Oasis, and today I want to explain an easy way for you to earn some cash back on things that you purchase every day by just scanning some receipts. So let's dive right into it. So CoinOut is actually the app that I'm going to be discussing today, and it's available on the Apple App Store, or you can get it if you have an Android on the Google Play Store. Alright, so I've got the app pulled up here. Of course, I've got a Samsung S10e, and this is on the Android Google Play Store. So after you've downloaded the app, go ahead and open it up, and this is going to be the main page of CoinOut. And what you see here at the top, aside from scanning receipts, you can also get some rewards back from various places you shop, whether it's online, hotels, a bunch of other different things that CoinOut has that they offer. But their main thing is giving you the ability to scan your receipts on your everyday purchases. So this is about as simple as it gets. So I've got some receipts here, and you're just gonna press on the orange scan button. This will be our first receipt here, and you just want to line it up and just take a snap of it and submit it. And you can see I earned actually 10 cents, so that was a really good one. So as far as the earnings are concerned, usually you'll earn in the neighborhood of like 3 to 7 cents, with some of them being as low as actually 1 cent, and then some being 5 or 6. But usually that averages between 3 to 7 cents, as you'll see here. The 10 cents is not as common, so maybe every other time you'll get that. CoinOut does pay you more per receipt if you use it more frequently. You'll see those added bonuses come in. So, like I said, just use it frequently, and you will definitely get more cash back. So, again, we'll just line up another receipt here. I'm going to scan this one. So another thing too is all these receipts that you're scanning, they need to be within the 2-week range. It also goes on to say that the receipt must not have been uploaded before. The receipt must be from a purchase that you made or a family member's purchase. And then lastly, your account will be blocked if you submit invalid or duplicate receipts. Alright, so we're just going to submit that last one here. And I got 1 cent on that one. I've got a few more here that we're going to scan. Line this guy up. I had 3 cents on that one. And I've got 3 left, so we'll see what we get on these guys. That's another 10 cents. We're doing pretty good tonight. Okay, and that was just 1 cent. And got 1 left at Bojangles here. Scan this guy. And that's going to give us 7 cents. So we did pretty well there. All right, so now I want to take a look at the earnings page. As you can see here, I've earned $11. I have cashed out before, I believe at $12. But it's ideally you want to cash out at 20 because CoinOut will actually give you a $1 bonus. If that means anything to you, obviously if you need the money, go ahead and cash it out. There are a few options for cashing out. You've got, as you can see, you can cash it out at your bank, whatever amount you want to do. It's got to be an even amount. So say if this was $11.05, it's only going to allow me to cash out $11. Or if you want, you can certainly cash out at PayPal too. That is an option. But the receipts we scanned, we scanned five receipts, and we earned 22 cents. So it's not much. I mean, you're certainly not going to be able to quit your day job over this, but just look at this as like supplemental income. All right, just something that you can stow away in your savings account, or ideally, honestly, what I do is I'll take this and the money that I earn off here, and I'll actually add it to my Roth IRA so I can earn even more money. So really the choice is up to you. I mean, however you want to use your money for this. All right, so that's my quick review of CoinOut. And another thing I want to mention that I did forget is if you have any e-receipts, say you've purchased from somewhere online, you can actually forward that email to receipts@coinout.com, and every Thursday CoinOut will actually give you some cash back on that. So that's another way too that you might want to take a look at. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. I'll be having some more CASHBACK app reviews. I'll do some credit card reviews. I also want to delve into some stock market and stuff like that. So if that's something that interests you, like and subscribe, and I'll definitely bring out some more videos in the coming weeks. Okay, guys, have a great day.